Alps Mountains. I hope you can see that. It's quite far, but and behind me on the other hand or on the other side the same so guys, I hope I'm going to have a beautiful day here in Austria. And as you can see right here, this notice board or the billboard about Austria, whatever, anything, okay, something to do with skiing. Yeah, it's very interesting. I'm going to spend the rest of the afternoon here. I'm so excited, and I hope, guys, we are going to see each other later. Yeah. So, yeah. Why is this guy looking at me? And maybe you can see the blue billboard of where I am. I can't cross over that side. Maybe we just get close. That's where I am. Okay, guys. Goodbye. Hi, guys. Here in Innsbruck, Bahnhof 8. Yeah, it's time to go home now. The train is right here, as you can see. That's the train, and in a few minutes I'll be getting to Munich. So yeah, it was a nice day. I missed the bus today, and as you can see, I have a different scarf from what I had today. I'm so happy. I just got luck and had been trained. Right? Yeah, I have to get inside soon. Otherwise, I'm going to miss it. Bye. See you later. This is the cabin where I am all alone. It's very comfortable. It's very look at that's how it looks like. It has mirrors on both sides. That's nice too. And yeah, it's weird. It's like 6 people. Also 6 seats, and this is economy class. You can have a look at that. Yeah, and yeah, in a few hours, okay, really not a few hours, but in around 1.5 or 1 hour 20 minutes, I'll be already in. Yeah, it was crazy today. It was like crazy because well, I came really late. I got here at around 3:30, and longer and longer and longer. So I ended up missing my bus, which was very embarrassing, and I didn't know. So I just made a blunder. Instead of looking for the bus from Innsbruck to Munich, I did the other way around. I looked from Munich to from Munich to Innsbruck. So that was what was in my head before, and I later realized while I was looking online, oh my god, this is the wrong direction. I have to rebook everything. Thanks to God I hadn't booked, otherwise I would have blundered again. And so that's how I ended up missing my train, my bus. And then luckily enough, I was very stranded at this Austria Central Station. It's my first time to be here, and I've never traveled this way. Yeah, I came across somebody. No, when I was passing, I saw a train which was written München. So I was like, oh my god, there is a train going to Munich, and I had a lot of time. So I went ahead and searched around on how to get it. So that's how I got into this train. And otherwise, if it were not for this train, I'd have to spend my life in Austria. So that is how the result is today. I don't know. Anyway, I'm so excited. Train is really, really fast, and it was really not as expensive as I thought. So like, it's not even a hassle to get this train. Okay, maybe next time I'm going to come with it. Oh, okay guys, I'm going to end this because this guy who purchased the ticket must be coming in the next. He'll soon be arriving here, and I don't want him to come and get me. Yeah. And one thing I realized about Innsbruck Central Station is really for security guards or and all these watchdogs.